Okay, hey, welcome to Paige Family Homestead. I'm going to show you today how to put a new rope on for my plow on the Rhino 660. What I'm going to do first, this is the new rope here. It's braided. It's only about an 8-foot rope. But, you know, they break so often, and you don't want, I really don't want the cable, because the cable frays on me. And I don't use this for pulling myself out of this, you know, in muddy spots, because I don't get into them. So I'm going to show you how.
It's just for the plow, basically.
Yeah, it's just for the plow. So I'm going to show you how. I'll turn my winch down here. Free flow. Pull this way out.
And this was a joke, wasn't it?
No, boy.
The length of this
rope,
one.
oh, yeah. Oh, it's got quite a bit of rope on there, I guess.
Snaps on them all the time.
All the time. Breaks constantly.
Probably the original.
I think it is, but you really need a good braided rope. It lasts about a couple years. Just got to get it off my hand.
Is that the end of it?
I think so. Yeah, that's the end of it. Okay, here's the new rope that I'm putting on. Right here. And see the end? It's tapered and taped so it can go in the hole easier. Let's hope.
I'm trying not to go out there with the camera. It'll get wet from this snow. You should have small hands, eh?
Not yet. I think I got to turn it up a bit.
Okay.
Okay, we had some lost footage here. Battery went on us. So what I've done is on the cord, there's a tapered end on the rope. Well, the hole in the winch doesn't go all the way through. So you have to slide it into the hole, then turn your winch on and wind it up. Okay, I need you. Has it gone all the way around yet?
No.
That's what I want it to do. Good. Good, that's what I want it to do. You just hold that here. Hold that in your hand. Don't pull, just hold it.
You want it to stop at this...
I don't want you to pull it at all.
But you want it to stop at this black handle thing? There it goes, guys.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, and that's great. There we go. And now gonna put the hook back on. I bought a new hook for it because the other one's broken. Hold up, please. Thank you. Oops. All I gotta do, pull the pin through. Bob's your uncle. Or your sister. Or whoever knows.
Want me to hold it?
Not yet.
Uh-huh.
There we go. And that's all you do for your blade hookup, for your rope hookup. There we go. She's all ready to go.
Just gotta tighten it up. You gonna lift it up for us?
Up, yep.
With your new rope?
There we go.
Success! Andy's having fun in this storm with his plow. He's been doing the sidewalk going up and down the street, and he's done about 5 or 6 neighbors' driveways. He's having a riot. Haha. Oh good, his new plow rope is working really well. It's pretty deep. That's so cool. That Rhino just plows right through it. Awesome. The street has a sidewalk again. Now doing the neighbor's driveway across the street. Hey Brad, hi Janet. Andy's having fun.
Okay, so right now we've got a light dusting of snow, so I'm going to go clean it all off. And then after this, we're going to hit the back road. So stick around. Come with us. you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget the notification bell, ding, 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 ding. And leave a comment below what you think of the Rhino.